Why is yawning so contagious? It's not just in your head, your brain is literally wired to copy what it sees. When someone yawns, it lights up the parts of your brain tied to empathy and social connection, basically nudging you to yawn too. Scientists think it's a leftover survival instinct, a way for groups to stay in sync with things like sleep cycles and alertness. Here's the interesting part: you're way more likely to catch a yawn from a friend or family member than from a stranger, because you have a deeper connection to them.